guys, welcome back to my channel Tulika's Vibe. Today I'm gonna share with you a whole day vlog. How's our life in Bangkok in this COVID situation? So keep on watching, but before that, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet and press the bell icon to get notification. Good morning, it's a weekday today. I wake up in the morning around 7 to 8. Yeah, I'm not an early morning person. After waking up, I turn on the aroma diffuser to feel the fresh morning vibe. Then I make a special morning drink for me. Here's 1 glass of lukewarm water. Now I'm taking here raw turmeric and I'm grating this into this water. This morning drink has lots of health benefits. It's a detox drink. It promotes weight loss, improves digestion and metabolism. It's an antioxidant powerhouse. It can help protect your body from infections. It can boost immune system and good for skin. Now I'm squeezing half a lemon juice into this water. I'm adding little bit of black pepper powder because black pepper helps your body to absorb more goodness of turmeric. Here I'm adding 1 spoon of honey. I'm mixing all this together and my drink will be ready. After making morning drink, I rearrange all the room. After that, I'm going to go freshen up. At morning, I just brush my teeth and wash my face with normal water. I don't prefer to use any face wash or cleanser at morning on my face. After getting fresh, I'm enjoying my morning drink in my balcony. It doesn't taste that bad. Here's my husband doing workout. He does workout at morning, but I don't. It's breakfast time and today I'm craving for some sweet. Here I have taken washed poha. Adding 1 spoon of jaggery powder. I'm gonna grate little bit of ginger into this. It enhances the taste, I think. Now I'm adding clarified butter or desi ghee into this and handful roasted cashew nuts. Now I'm mixing all this together. Here I'm adding 1 banana. For the summer, this breakfast is very good for our health and this is quite fulfilling. And the best thing is this is easy to make. Today I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast alone with some cartoon. He is working from home and now his office meeting is going on. After breakfast, we do enjoy our tea time together. Now he is already in his room doing office work. At this time, I check all my emails, my messages, social media work, and have to set the whole day work plan. This is also my study time. As a health coach, I have to stay updated. After 1 to 2 hours, this is cleaning time. I don't have any maid. I do household chore on my own. And I think this is a good exercise. After that, I'm going to take shower. But before that, he is here and we have a little moment. After taking shower, I'm here doing some skincare. Setting my hair, I love to do buns because with this my hair is secured and doesn't irritate me too much and it does look cute. It's lunchtime and I have to prepare our lunch. In weekdays, maximum time I don't cook because I don't get that much time to cook. Here I'm preparing quinoa salad. And now in these weekdays, I prefer to eat quinoa instead of rice. So I'm chopping all the vegetables I have at this moment like carrots, capsicums, green onions. I have cooked quinoa here. In a plate, I am adding cooked quinoa. Adding all the chopped veggies. Some chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves. Now grating the raw turmeric. Squeezing lemon juice. Adding a little bit of Himalayan pink salt. Black pepper powder. Adding extra virgin olive oil. Now I'm gonna mix all this together. Adding handful of raisins. Here is some boiled chicken breast. I am adding this at a side. Adding some yellow mustard on top of this. So yeah, my super simple healthy lunch is ready. We do prefer to enjoy our lunch together with any Netflix series like Big Bang Theory or Friends. And both of these are all-time favorites. Always try to stay happy at your lunchtime. It really helps for digestion. After lunch, here is some chit-chat going on. And here I'm cleaning all the dishes. I wear gloves while I'm doing the cleaning. It protects my hand from the harsh dishwasher. It's done. After that, I'm doing my work. In this time, I do all my editing stuff with this vitamin C. It's evening time and I have to do some household chore again. I have a small garden in my balcony. I don't have that much experience of gardening, but I love to do it. And this is kinda my happy time. His office time is over and he has joined me. Here we are enjoying sunset with an apple. After that, while he is busy with his gaming, I'm doing my workout. In Bangkok, the COVID cases are increasing day by day and that's why all gyms are closed. We are kinda in lockdown situation. But I continuously doing my workout at home. In workout routine, there are some cardio, abs workout and strength training. I have shared many workout routine on my YouTube channel. If you want, you can check this out. I will share all the links in description below. After finishing my workout, I'm taking hair protein shake. I will meet you after shower. At evening, my husband makes tea for both of us. In evening snacks, we have today some boiled black chana and digestive biscuit. At this time, we share our whole day and everything. In dinner, I'm making here steamed veggies. With these steamed veggies, I'll be adding some cucumber and radish. I'm sprinkling some black salt and black pepper powder on top of this. You can literally see I'm freaking tired and we are having our dinner and he is having his protein from this small bowl. I don't feel to have any protein in my dinner today because I don't know why I'm feeling full today. After finishing dinner, we watched Netflix TV series 1 to 2 hours. And now I'm getting fresh for bed. I brush my teeth at night and morning 2 times in a day. Now I'm washing my face with a gentle cleanser. Bedtime skincare is must, I never skip it. At first I'm applying a night serum and then I'm applying a night cream. As our skin naturally repairs itself at night, our nighttime routine should be all about treatment and giving our skin what it needs. If you want me to make a video on skincare routine, then please comment below. And now I'm applying a lip balm. So yeah, that was my whole day routine. I hope you liked this video, then please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you guys. Good night.